Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create summer typography poster design in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its case to upper. Select text, and change its font to go bold. Adjust its size, and do the center align. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Go to the Rectangle tool, and draw a long rectangular bar. Align its corners to the text. Hold the Alt key to create a copy of it. And follow me. Select all, open the Pathfinder panel, and click on Unite button. Here, I want to do some manual spacing setting. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path and Make, or press Ctrl+8. Go to the File menu, Place, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click, Arrange and send it to back. Select both, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make, or press Ctrl+7. Using Direct Selection tool, you can adjust the image size. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my other text settings. Go to the File menu, Place, select Plastic Bag Wrap, and click on Place. You can download it from the Google. Adjust its size on the artboard. Open the transparency panel, and change its blend mode to multiply. And decrease its opacity to around 40%, and it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.